Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another Muslim Tech Review. This is Kareem Mohammed, and I hope your families are safe and sound with this COVID-19. Keep your mask on and be safe. Today we're going to talk about a product that millions of people already have. So you might say, brother, why are you talking about a product that millions of people already have? We don't need you to do that. But millions and millions more don't have it, especially our elderly brothers and sisters who may be a little afraid of technology. They may not understand how to hook it up, but it is a great benefit, especially to our elderly brothers and sisters. Let's talk about it right after this. Today we're going to talk about the Ring video doorbell. Like I say, millions of you already have this. But if you have it, you know the great benefit from this device. Ask anyone who has this device how beneficial it is. And they will tell you they don't know how that they got along without this before. As I said before, a lot of our elderly brothers and sisters, it takes them a long time to even come to the door, to answer the door. At least with this, they can see who's at the door before they come. It may be somebody they know, or it may be somebody they don't know. As you know, people are always trying to scam our elderly brothers and sisters. So with this, it adds another layer of protection. So if you're a young person, you have a grandmother or grandfather, they may be living alone, hook this up for them. Now let's see how easy it is to hook this up. Right here, you see me unplugging the device from being fully charged. Now I'm going to open up the case and insert the battery. Make sure you insert the battery the correct way and snap it in firmly. And you'll see the light come on. Put the case back on firmly. You turn around to the back. Right here is where you would hook in your wires. I'm going to show you in the video. And down here, they're going to ask you to scan this QR code with your phone. And as you can see, this is where you press when someone wants to come to your house. They press the doorbell right there. Let's watch this short video.
This video will show you how to install Ring Video Doorbell 2 if you plan on connecting it to existing doorbell wiring. This is the installation you'll do if you want your internal bell to ring when someone pushes the button on the front of your Ring Video Doorbell 2. This is the battery. We recommend fully charging the battery before installation, even if you're wiring Ring to existing doorbell wires. Wiring your Ring Video Doorbell 2 ensures that your internal bell will ring. Plug the charging cable into the battery. While charging, both the red and green lights will light up. When only the green light is lit, it's completely charged. Slide the battery back into the compartment. You'll hear it click when the battery's secure. After inserting the battery, it'll take about a half a minute for your Ring doorbell to power up. Before installation, complete the in-app setup of your Ring doorbell indoors near your Wi-Fi router. If you need help, refer to our video on setting up your Ring doorbell in the Ring app. First, shut off power at the breaker. Remove your existing doorbell from the wall and disconnect the wires. Use your Ring doorbell to mark the install location. If you're installing Ring doorbell on stucco, brick, or concrete, then use the provided drill bit to drill holes into your wall and insert the included anchors into the holes. If you're installing on wood or siding, you don't need the anchors and can screw your Ring doorbell directly into your wall. The optimal installation height for Ring doorbell is 4 feet off the ground. If you're installing Ring doorbell to existing wires that are higher than 4 feet, use the wedge mount to angle it down to improve your view. Now connect your existing doorbell wires. If you're wiring Ring doorbell to existing wires, you'll need a transformer with a voltage of 8 24-volt AC. A resistor must be used if you're wiring directly to a transformer. Please note that most intercoms and DC transformers are not supported. If your existing doorbell wires are too short to wire to Ring doorbell, you can use these wire extensions and wire nuts to connect them together. To use the wire nuts, hold the wires together and twist the wire nuts clockwise over them until they're secure. Loosen the screws on the back of your Ring doorbell and insert the spade connectors like this. After connecting the wires, tighten both screws on the back of Ring doorbell to ensure a good connection. If you're wiring Ring doorbell to a digital bell, you'll need to install this diode. For more information, refer to our video on diode installation. You can also refer to the printed manual that came with Ring doorbell if you need help. If you have a mechanical bell, do not install the diode, because doing so can damage your bell. Then feed all the wires and wire nuts, if they were used, into your wall. Then secure your Ring doorbell using the provided screws. Afterwards, install your faceplate by slotting it in at the top and clicking it into place. Finally, use the star-shaped end of the screwdriver to secure the faceplate with one of the provided security screws. Turn power back on at the breaker. The front light on your Ring video doorbell will illuminate. Congratulations! Your Ring video doorbell is now ready to use.
Brothers and sisters, as you recall from my first video, I said that I would be giving out some of these bone conducting headphones. Well, we have a winner, and we will bring that winner on next week. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Assalamu alaikum.